Chapter 11. How to make God happy. Core value. Remember, if you help a needy person, God will also help you. Never treat any helpless person badly. We depend on one another, so as far as possible, try to help the person who need your help. Let's read. Once upon a time, there lived two men named Harish and Vansh. They were neighbors and good friends. Both were woodcutters. One day, Harish went to the forest to cut wood. He cut the wood till noon. After some time, he felt tired and hungry. He stopped cutting wood and sat down under a tree to have lunch. Suddenly, an old beggar appeared before him and begged for some food. He said, "I haven't eaten food for 2 days." Harish got very angry and shouted at the beggar, "Go away from here. I have brought lunch to eat. I can't give you even a grain of rice." The beggar went away quietly. Harish had his lunch and started cutting the wood again. But to his misery, he met with an accident. While cutting the wood, he cut his leg. He cried loudly with pain, but no one was there to help him. The next day, Vansh went to the forest to cut the wood. By noon, he felt hungry and tired, so he sat down to eat his lunch. As he started having his lunch, the same old beggar appeared before him and begged for some food. He repeated, "I haven't eaten food for 3 days. I am hungry. Would you please give me something to eat?" Vansh closed his lunch box and gave all his lunch to the old beggar. The beggar happily ate the lunch. After eating, the beggar thanked Vansh for the lunch and gave him a small box as a reward. Vansh opened the box and was shocked to see the box. It was full of precious stones. Vansh was surprised and asked the beggar to tell him his true identity. Suddenly, the beggar turned into a beautiful goddess. She said to Vansh, "I am the goddess of this forest. You have given me food. You are truly a kind man. I am pleased with you. Take these jewels and sell them. You can live happily and help the poor people." Vansh thanked the goddess and went home with the box. You know now, we should give food and water to a hungry and thirsty person. Remember, even the poor are God's children. When you help them, God will be happy. Word treasure. Neighbors, people living next door to. Precious, valuable, costly. Lunch, a meal eaten in the middle of the day. Begged, asked someone earnestly for something.
Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more videos and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.